pirates, and good morning to all cyclists. This is your biker byahero. So, I am here in Bermosa, the cycling capital of the Philippines. So, here in Bermosa, there are many bikes like time trial bikes, BMX, road bike, pixie, and many more bikes. So, here in Bermosa, you can time lapse and you can climb some hill there in Bermosa. So there's no vehicle here and it's very nice to lapse here. So I'm here to go the Bermosa, then it's a great place to lapse here. The Bermosa is very safe, like no other than MOA. So your biker byahero is going home now. So I am your biker byahero, the Cavite Pirates vlogger of Team Cavite Pirates. And good morning to all pirates and cyclists.